Hi guys, I just changed something to the website, something that probably is living already in the community, and that's the fact that we are now at version 5. It says here 4, so that means Ctrl-Shift-R. I need to reboot, so the cache needs to go, right? Ctrl-Shift-R. So it's 05, and I guess the question will come if it's not yet communicated with me, but I had already the reflex. We started 1st of June and we're already at version 5. What's going on? What's the difference between 1, 2, there was no 3, 4, 5, right? And we've made a little script, and Claude is working hard for me, or has worked hard for me. And if you go all the way down, you'll find release notes. This will give you a small, right, but a insight of what happens and why, what's the difference between the 5 and the 4, and each time basically it's users giving us idea, changing, this is maintenance, this is me, right, changing names and all that. But making sure the last bit here was making sure that the GRUB was encrypted as well on the very old machines, right? The GRUB. So yeah, and some other things he filtered out as well. Simple screen recorder is out, OBS Studio is in, things like that. So I hope it helps to keep track of what happened to my ISO these last days, right? Cheers.